Today we have a snapper, self-propelled. It's definitely been used. The wheels are a little worn, but apparently, it doesn't run naturally. I mean, that's why it's on the table, but it does not have any compression. It has oil, not much oil, but it has oil. When you pull the cord, you can see the blade moving, so it's not like a faulty pull cord or something like that. So it's definitely something internal. Screw is missing on here. I'm feeling that someone might have been here before us. Let's take a look at the plug. I just want to see if it's just really nasty. Brand new. Okay. But something I do see here though is a couple of these head bolts have an extra washer or two on them. Maybe it's as simple as a blown head gasket. When we get some tools, we're going to take off the cover. Probably we'll have to take off the pull cord too. Or do it. Yeah, well, I guess we don't have to, but I at least want to take off the cover. Let me get that stuff away. So this has a little couple issues, mainly just with the self-propel, but so far I have high hopes. At least I have hopes that it's either a blown head gasket or a stuck valve. Those would be the two ideal scenarios. Because when you pull it, you do hear like a pop every now and then. There's definitely been some funkery going on with this, but if it does run, we'll take a look at this spring. Probably have to take off those as well. Forgot about those. They're pretty good. Some heads have a certain order where the bolts should go. This style does not. They're all the same length. Huh? Definitely tad on the dirty end. Oh. See it right now. So the intake valve, the little seat came out of it, or the valve seat The block itself is aluminum, but they put these little pieces in there that are hardened, so it wears longer. And it came out. So we have to put that back in and examine it first, though. Let's go ahead and do that. Okay, so got the cover off. Kind of see this a little better. What I want to do is spin the motor. So this is kind of lifting up. Kind of look at it. These are usually hardened, so with the exception of it not being in the motor, it looks pretty good so far. I think we're pretty safe too. Put that back in. We are going to need something. Maybe a little tap on the valve a little bit to kind of help seat it for us. I've never seen something like this happen on this side of the engine before. It's always on a like a larger version, like a lawnmower, or not lawnmower, but a riding mower. Okay, that's much better. So this, a little bit of a tricky part. Move this out of the way. As it stands now, possibilities of coming out is pretty high. What we need to do, if I could find my punches, here we are. Just take a punch. Punch the metal around it. Because it's soft, what we'll do is putting these little punch marks will, let me zoom you in. Okay. So we want to put a little mark right next to the seat. That way these kind of help hold it in. This one's a hard one. So you want it to have just a little bit to kind of put pressure on it, because as the metal folds to it, it will kind of keep it in place. You also don't want to hit the seat either. And if you do, don't want to hit very hard. That can be disastrous. Okay, well, at least that's kind of done. I'm going to put it all back, the head back on. If you want to look up the specs for the torque bolt, I think this is like 110 inch-pounds. I'm going to look it up and get my torque wrench out and put it on. I'll put the head on. But let me go ahead and do that. We'll put this down. I'll bring everyone back and see if this turns on. Okay. It's not on yet, obviously, but I checked the bore. It seemed pretty good. I just want to take a look and see if I can feel compression. great, but there is some. Okay, so get all that done, put it back together. Like I said, check the oil. I didn't really check the air filter or anything, but if it doesn't start, we have to put some starting fluid in there anyway, so we'll take a look at it then. I found a bag. It didn't come with one. I hope this is the right one. You're supposed to put the pull cord on this, but I feel like it's being more of a pain, so for now I'm just going to leave it like that. I think it comes with a black bag. I think this is an older one. But I guess we'll see what happens now. It doesn't even need a carb plane. That's amazing. Okay, well, that's good news. I'll see my neighbors in the other one as well. So, I think I'm going to let this run a little bit because I don't really know the longevity of this type of repair, unfortunately. I mean, it's just how it is. It could last 10 years, it could last 10 minutes. I always want to use it once or twice and let it run for a good 45 minutes, an hour. And oil is okay, and it's not going to change until after that point. And apparently the plug is new anyway, so I'm not too worried about that. Okay, well, if you like what you see, keep on watching. Definitely subscribe. Leave a comment below. I'll see everyone later. Have a good night.